following message is transmitted at the request of the D Police. An unknown murder has taken place within Santa Destroy. The body of an unidentified woman was found within the atomic drop ward, next to the Senton Splash Tunnel entrance, with bloodstains found on multiple streets, most of which is found near Motel No More Heroes. Investigations are currently being conducted, and it is advised to remain indoors at this time for your safety. Lock all doors and windows and do not go outside for any reason. If you are able to provide information regarding the potential suspect, please contact the D Police.